welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I make my Starbucks vanilla iced coffee. So let me tell you where I got everything. The Starbucks coffee that I get, I always get the dark roast because I like a little bit more of an intense coffee. So I get this at Target and it's like around $4 something. The heavy whipping cream you can buy at any grocery store. And then this guy is the vanilla syrup. I got this at World Market, and also you can buy the pump as well. They have tons of different flavors, but since it was my first time trying a syrup, I just wanted to go with the vanilla one because I know I would like it. So I just want to show you how I make it so you can save money and not go to Starbucks as much as I was. So I know in a grande vanilla iced coffee, I think they do 4 pumps of vanilla. So I'm just going to do 3 because I don't want it to be super, super sweet. And I think in a venti, they do 6 pumps. So I'm just going to do 3. I already have my ice and my straw in my cup. So that was 3. And Daniel tried this drink and he has a super, super sweet tooth when it comes to coffee. And he liked it. So it's like that perfect medium, not too sweet, not too strong. So that was my 3 pumps of the syrup. And then it's gonna look like I'm putting a lot of coffee. Well, I guess I kind of am, but there's ice all the way to the top. So it just makes it look like I'm putting a ton of coffee, but I don't think it is. So I go to about there. And then you can play around with the flavoring and add more like heavy whipping cream or add more coffee. And then I'll put like that much. I never measure, I just eyeball. And then if I want, I can go and add more coffee or add heavy whipping cream. But I just look at the color, and I've made it like super light and super dark, and it tastes good all the time. So let's try it. I'm pretty sure it's going to be delicious. And then I also like when the ice kind of melts. I don't know why, I like it. It gives it like a different flavor. So it's delicious. So they have vanilla, that's the one I got, but they also have French vanilla. I want to know what, I think I'll try that one next time to see what the flavor looks like, but they have tons. They have hazelnut, chocolate, strawberry, coconut. So yeah, you can even like mix your syrups too. I bet that would be really good, but it's super simple. Like I said, I don't measure anything. And I think you'll really, really like it. So give it a try. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.